Hello, I am Pranav Prakhar. Let's take a look at newspaper headlines published from Delhi today. First, the Indian Express. Most of the papers are taking a cue from the assembly election win for BJP, major gain for Narendra Modi in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The heading says the PM and BJP chief Shah script sweep across heartland, set stage for 2019. Modi's march. Why verdict in UP signals new politics and a new voter. Congress gets Punjab comfort. Why AAP was left a distant second. Worst attack in 2 years. Maoist killed 12 CRPF men in Sukhma in Raipur. Despite rebel, BJP wave takes Uttarakhand, gives space for CM experiment. Congress ties get post-poll push. MP team on way to park. With the crucial state polls over and BJP garnering a strong mandate in UP, a more sure-shooted government is possibly moving towards better ties with Pakistan, as it will send a 3-member parliamentary delegation to the neighboring country for 4 days, beginning March 13th. Moving ahead to the Hindu newspaper, ABVP wave saffron shawls at burqas on campus. Muslim women wear the dress to be able to attend college in Karnataka, but Hindu activists say it as violation of the existing code. Non-lapsable fund sought for army by Defence Minister is forced to return money every year. Satyarthi's Nobel citation found dumped in forest. Police find the original document in waterproof bag near Sangam Vihar in national capital. Nobel Peace Laureate Kailash Satyarthi's original citation, which was stolen from his residence in Kalkaji's Aravali apartment complex on February 7, has been recovered by Delhi police late on Friday evening. Moving ahead to the Sunday Times, Congress emerges as single largest party in Goa and Manipur, but BJP looks to stitch together winning coalition, gets head start 2019 election. UP Namo monetized. It's an Indira moment for man in currency. This is all talking about BJP's gain and a massive mandate in Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh for BJP and a head start for 2019 parliamentary election. This is how the headline speaks. Moving ahead to the Hindustan Times as well. The new House order. Uttar Pradesh 403 seats, BJP 325, SP 47, and then the rest follows. Punjab 117 seats, Congress bags 77 seats, Aam Aadmi Party 20 seats, Goa 40 seats, Congress bags 17, and very close is 13 seats for BJP. Manipur 60 seats total, 28 for Congress and 21 for BJP, and Uttarakhand 70 seats and BJP gets massive win of 57 seats and only 11 seats for Congress. So BJP is riding on a very massive win in Uttar Pradesh, and the heading is aptly in Hindustan Times, which says Modi is king of the heartland. Tall talking Aam Aadmi Party fails a national test, but Aam Aadmi Party will be the main opposition in Punjab. Happiest birthday. Captain delivers Punjab to Congress. Congress chief Captain Amrinder Singh celebrated has a dual celebration, first for the win for bringing Congress party back in power in Punjab and also celebrating his 70th birthday. Maoist killed 12 CRPF men in Sukhma ambush. So that's all we have in the headlines published in English newspapers from Delhi. Tomorrow is Holi. We wish our listeners and viewers worldwide happy Holi. Holi, the festival of color, is being celebrated across India tomorrow.